Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be walking you guys through how I got this hairstyle. So I'm going to start off with the first thing. What I actually know. Let's cut to the chase. For the footage that y'all are about to see, I did not know that I was out of focus or even out of frame for part of it. So when you notice that, I'm just going to say I'm sorry. The hair that I used for this install is the Sassina hair tape-ins, and I also used a Gold Frost 360 lace unit. First off, for the unit, I used a lace wig from the hair company that I actually started myself. I do sell bundles if you guys did not know. So this is a 360 platinum blonde lace unit. I used Sassina tape-in extensions, and you kind of see in the demonstration me installing them. And I'm going to give you guys some more information as far as the tape-ins. I used a 20-inch and an 18-inch box of tape-ins, and they came in just a regular platinum blonde 613 color. I'll have it linked down below, as well as the website. They also do natural hair extensions. If y'all were interested in that, I'll leave a video down below that I did for them for the natural hair extensions as well. These were sent to me for review, but they are good quality and they're affordable. So if you guys want to, check it out, do it down below. But if you guys want a more in-depth video of me taping them in, let me know. But I'm gonna just show you guys what they look like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And if you can tell, I have two different colors in my hair. So I colored this wig to kind of like a ashy gray blonde type of color, and the extensions are a regular just platinum blonde. So I did that just to kind of give it some dimension, because as you can see, it got some dimension to it. So yeah, what else about the hair? 613. Yeah, so I also did the tape-ins in the front for the bang part, so that if I wanted to take it out, I could still be able to wear this unit in a different style. I'll give you guys more details like in the voiceover part, but I wanted just to touch bases with you guys on a few things. Okay, so we're hopping straight in. As you can see, I kind of already parted my hair into different sections. And you're not going to really take a big section because you don't want the bangs to be too thick in the front, and you still want to be able to kind of maneuver your wig in different ways so that you can still wear it in different styles. So now all I'm doing is just kind of pulling out the hairs that I'm going to put the tape-in extensions on. And with tape-in extensions, you don't really need a lot of hair to tape it onto, because the more hair, the harder it is for it to hold on to one another, because each strip has an adhesive sticky side to it, and you want the sticky sides to match up and to touch each other. So yeah. And again, I'm going to apologize for being out of frame while doing this part, but all I'm pretty much doing is taking the adhesive side of the tape-in extension, and I'm putting it as close to the roots of the wig as possible. And I'm just trying to line it up evenly in a position where it's not going to really show. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the other one and lay it on top. And some people I've seen, they use a straightener to kind of seal in the glue. I think that's optional. You don't have to do that, because it does make the adhesive really sticky and it gets stuck in the hair a little bit more, and it's harder to kind of get out. But that is optional if that's what you want to do. But here I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys me putting the other extension on top of the tape-in. So just keep watching. So these tape-in extensions are actually really thick, so I only needed to use 2 of them in the front in order to really achieve a bang. So pretty much after I found the positioning of where I was going to put the tape-ins, I just went ahead and straightened the hair, like passed the straightener through the hair, and then when I was finished getting it to the proper straightness that I wanted, I went ahead and put the other hair over it. But this one was a little like wonky, so I had to redo it off camera, but you pretty much get the idea. And if y'all want like a more in-depth video of me doing the tape-ins all over, let me know and I would do that for you guys as well. So also I'm going to talk to you guys about this unit that I have. This is a 360 lace wig unit from GoldenHair, and I actually do sell wigs and I sell bundles, and yeah, they're pretty affordable. The quality is really good. Just wait till we get to the part where we're straightening this hair out. And I've had this wig for a couple months now and it's still holding up really well. So if you guys are interested in purchasing either platinum blonde units, or if you want the regular 1B colors, definitely let me know. I'm going to have all the information down below, as well as I'm going to be making a separate video talking about it more in depth with you guys. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know, because if you have followed my channel for a while, you guys know I do wigs and all that type of stuff as protective styles. So if you're interested, click the link down below. It'll be in my description box. And yeah. Okay, and now it's time to do the bang. So I pretty much already started cutting it, and what I'm going to do is just kind of pass the straightener through the rest of my hair, just to pretty much just see a visual or get an idea of what it's gonna look like once the bang is finished. And as you can see, this hair straightens out really easy and it gets really straight as well. And being that it's 613 hair, it is still good quality, because as y'all know, platinum blonde hair, it is more damaged than like the regular 1B hair, because it's already been through multiple bleaching processes. So the fact that this hair is still holding up is actually really good. Okay, so for the bangs, I'm starting off by keeping them kind of long in the front, because I don't want to overjudge and cut too much and then you really just can't go back from there. So what I'm doing is just cutting off like a few inches at a time, and as I get closer to the front, I'm gonna just cut off less and less and then start to shape it out. So right now I'm just kind of passing the straightener over it just to give it a little bit of a bump, because I don't want to cut it and then bump it and then it's too short. So I'm just gonna pass the straightener through it now, and then get an idea of what's going on, and then I'm gonna cut some more off. Okay, so as you can see, we're getting closer, but we're not quite at the length we're looking for. So what I'm going to do next is just take my scissors and cut them in the upward direction, just to kind of give it more of a fringe look as opposed to a straight across type of bang. So you're just gonna cut and pretty much find the length that you feel comfortable with, the style you feel comfortable with, And as you can see, I'm still cutting as well. So it is a process, and I would say don't try to rush through it. Just take your time, because you don't want to cut it too short and then you really just be SOL. So yeah. And there it is. So this is the finished look for our bangs. It is very easy if you just take your time and work your way through it. It's very cute. You know, if you're trying to go incognito, you're trying to change up your identity, there you go. Just pop this bang on and never know it's you. Thank you guys again for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down below as far as this hairstyle, as far as the tape-in extensions, or as far as the hair that I use, which is from GoldenHair, which I'll have linked below, which is my hair company. So if you support me, you should definitely support my business, you know, Black owned. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and definitely make sure you hit the notification bell as well, so that you can be alerted every single time I upload a new video. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.
Seems like breathing ain't enough to keep me